Welcome to Dubai. UAE offers various types of visas for different purposes. As of last update on 2023, the United Arab Emirates UAE consists of 7 individual emirates: Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah. Each emirate may have slightly different visa procedures and regulations. Here is a general overview. Determine visa type. The UAE offers various types of visas for different purposes, such as tourism, business, employment, family visits, and more. Make sure you know which type of visa you need before proceeding. Sponsorship. Most UAE visas require a sponsor, which could be an individual, a company, or a government entity. For example, a company might sponsor an employment visa, while a family member could sponsor a family visit visa. Apply online. Most visa applications are submitted online through the official UAE government websites or through approved visa processing centers. You will need to provide required documentation and personal information for the application. Required documents. The specific documents required can vary depending on the type of visa you're applying for. Generally, you will need a valid passport, passport-sized photographs, application form, proof of relationship if applicable, financial documents, and more. Approval. The UAE immigration authorities will review your application and documents. If your application is approved, you will receive an entry permit or an e-visa. Entry permit or e-visa. If your application is successful, you will receive an entry permit or e-visa, which will allow you to enter the UAE. Medical examination and health insurance. Depending on the visa type and the emirate, you might need to undergo a medical examination and obtain health insurance coverage. Arrival in UAE. Once you arrive in the UAE, you may need to complete additional procedures, such as a medical test, residence visa stamping, and Emirates ID application. Residence visa. If you're planning to stay in the UAE for an extended period, you might need to convert your entry permit into a residence visa. This process often involves additional paperwork and medical tests. Renewal and extensions. UAE visas typically have expiration dates. If you plan to stay longer, you'll need to renew or extend your visa before it expires. Please note that visa regulations and procedures can change, and it's important to check with official UAE government sources or relevant embassies, consulates for the most up-to-date information before applying for a visa. Additionally, visa processes can differ between the various emirates. So it's a good idea to verify the specific procedures for the emirate you plan to visit or reside in.